Recently, I've been going around places and being a content creator and a gamer at the same time. It is expected for you to be reachable and online ready to do some work on the spot edits, revisions, file transfers, or just to have fun and play with your friends. Yeah. Luckily, I got a laptop that gets the grind going anywhere I go. Function, performance, cooling, plus the aesthetics, as you can see, it is all I ever needed because the Predator Helios Neo 16 has my back. Looking closer to its design, it has a still dark finish around its chassis with the Predator logo slightly engraved on the surface. You can also see some code dials and patterns you can decipher if you have time, but the one that strikes me the most, if you pay attention to its detail, is the Predator Morse code in blue rather than just typing it in Romaji. The design is subtle in some ways since it didn't go for the blue light that for me is flashy. I like this minimalist groove. Upon opening the lid, you'll notice the Neo 16-inch display with its 16:10 aspect ratio and 2560 by 1600 resolution. The side bezel is visible but not annoying, with a large chin sporting the silver Predator logo and the durable hinge, while the top bezel houses the 720p camera you can use for work calls or streaming. Just below that, you'll see the DTS-X Ultra audio speakers, the exhaust around the laptop, powered by the 5th gen Aeroblade 3D fan technology, making sure to push performance to its maximum potential, so fingers will stay cool during the heat of the battle. Yeah, it has 4 thermal settings, which you can easily control using the button on the over here on the upper left corner, or you can customize it using the Predator Sense app installed on your laptop. There's also a Predator Sense hotkey on the 4-zone RGB backlight keyboard, and in the upper right corner you'll see the power button. Don't worry if you accidentally press it while using the laptop, it won't automatically shut down. You need to press it longer as it gives you an option on what you can do next. The touchpad is spacious, as you can see. When it comes to performance, nothing can go wrong with the Predator Helios Neo 16, as it boasts the latest Intel Core i7-13700HX processor with a new hybrid architecture perfect for multitasking and faster processing with your creative applications. Partnered with the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4060 GPU with its Ada Lovelace architecture for smoother gameplays, high-quality frames, a bigger leap in both performance and AI-powered graphics. Specs may vary depending on the configurations you choose, but you can always upgrade your 16GB DDR5 4800 MHz SD RAM and 512GB SSD to a higher variant, as it has additional slots for upgrade over here. And lastly, at the back you can see 2 Type-C ports. One is a Thunderbolt 4, an HDMI port, and a power connector. On the side you'll see a LAN port with the latest Intel Killer E2600 Ethernet and an Intel Killer Wi-Fi 6 AX1650, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port, micro SD card slot for easy file transfer, and a headphone jack. And on the other side, you'll see a Kensington lock, 2 more USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port, and an LED indicator. Overall, the Acer Predator Helios Neo 16, Predator Helios Neo 16 is my go-to laptop for working and gaming. Very reliable and powerful, that gets the job done anywhere I go.